Get strong.
Raise your hand if this is your life philosophy. We have the cutest solution for that midweek slump. Say hello to our adorable Espresso Llama. This design is pure, cozy charm and the perfect dose of caffeine-fueled humor. This instant classic is perfect for gift shops, holiday markets, or anyone who runs purely on coffee. It's a guaranteed smile generator. Two great options: Eco Solvent for vibrant color/durability, or Sublimation 3-packs for amazing value on apparel and physical items. Stop waiting. Grab this unique, high-quality transfer instantly at www.stylejunction.com. Plus, enjoy free and fast delivery on your order. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Get strong. Get strong.